Hi everyone and welcome to Mrs. Smith's K11 classroom website tutorial. So this is just a quick overview of our class website. As you can see here, we have STEAM 101 as well as conceptual physics. Our welcome to distance learning video is here at this button, as well as this video navigating this website is posted here. Further below, you can see our shelter in place posts. So I thought it would be kind of fun since we can't be social in the classroom, that maybe we can be social on our website. So if you ever have any pictures or projects or anything like that that you want to share on the website, you can send them to me. So to start off with, I kind of posted some of the activities that I've done so far over a break. So navigating this website, if you are interested in going to STEAM 101, because you're in that class, you can click on the icon here, and it'll take you to our STEAM 101 webpage. Each week is posted here on the webpage, so as we move along, you can jump down the page to that particular week. I also posted the welcome video here, and at the very top, you can find basic tutorials like Flipgrid, on the app versus Flipgrid in Microsoft Teams or the website, and submitting an assignment on Teams. So you can see our first week here. We'll have some sort of picture that relates to the curriculum we're covering. Assignment 1 is the distance learning survey due by Wednesday, April 8th at 3 p.m. The assignment 2 is to sign up for Remind. Assignment 3 is parts, purpose, and complexities due by Thursday on Microsoft Teams. And assignment 4 is Flipgrid log 1 due by Thursday. So notice that all the details are there as well as links. So for example, distance learning survey will take you to the survey you need to complete. The parts, purpose, and complexities, when you click on that, it'll take you to the YouTube tutorial video.
Your assignment for week 1 for parts, purpose, and complexity.
And then Flipgrid takes you to the website, so you can log in to Flipgrid there. The same idea if you go to conceptual physics. Again, each week is broken down. We have basic tutorials, including how to log into STEMscopes. You just click on it. It'll take you to our video. And then week 1, we're talking about energy. Again, you have a distance learning survey information here, as well as when you click on the links, it'll take you to the video. And that is navigating our website. We'll be keeping this up to date on a weekly basis. And that's it. Thank you very much.